Are you tired of working 9 to 5 job and feeling like you're not making as much money as you deserve? Have you ever considered creating online course? Welcome back to my channel. This is Francis AZ, and I'm all about teaching you how to make money online and everything that surrounds making money online. And in today's video, we're going to look at creating online courses and how you can make money through them. And if this is the first time I'm engaging with this channel, you're super welcome, and I will indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and smash that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop good and great content like this on how to make money online, you'll be among the first to be notified. So in today's digital age, the possibilities of making money online are endless, and creating and selling online course or courses is one of the most lucrative options available. But where do you start? How do you create a course that people will want to buy? And most importantly, how do you actually make money from it? Well, the first step is to choose a topic that you are passionate about and that people are willing to pay to learn. It could be anything from cooking to coding to meditation to digital marketing to web design to CV writing, so many things. Once you've chosen the topic, you need to create an engaging content that will keep your students interested and motivated. This could be videos, written materials, quizzes, interactive sessions, and exercises. And don't forget about marketing, because this is what separates the big guys from starters. You need to get your course in front of as many persons as possible. This could be through social media marketing, email marketing, collaborations with influencers, and so many other ways you can get your online course to as many persons as possible. But the most important question is this: how do you actually make money with your online courses? As a matter of fact, there are so many platforms that you could upload your online course or host your online course, and you get people to pay for these courses. And there are many ways. If you want to actually make as much money as possible, you don't just have to sell your course as a one-time thing. There are many ways you can actually make as much money as possible. Selling 3 courses is better than selling a course. How? Okay, you could actually do a one-time payment. That's when your customers come and purchase your course one time. They pay once and they have all the courses. Or you could do a subscription pattern whereby they subscribe and you give them as much value as possible. And that way you could also upsell them, downsell them to so many other content or courses that you have. And that way you make as much money as possible. And also there is tiered pricing. Very important. And by the time you integrate all these several ways of, getting payments from your audience or from your customers, then you make as much money as possible. That's the point, or that's the time your marketing techniques get fully optimized and you make as much money as possible. And also you could offer bonuses. That's also a way you can make as much sales as possible. Okay, you could offer bonuses, extra free courses or extra free content, just to appreciate your customers and to get them coming back to buy as much more as possible. And if you're successful with creating online courses, selling them and marketing them, then the sky is the limit. There are people making 6, 7, and even 8 figures from these online courses. But the truth is that you cannot just create an online course, host it on any online course platform or on your website and expect sales to start coming in. Hell no. You have to focus so well on marketing. Once you make the first sales, all you have to do, keep reinvesting in the marketing until you start getting returns that you're comfortable with daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. So can you make money from online courses? The answer is an absolute yes. You can make as much money as possible. In fact, you can make a complete living creating and selling online courses. But it takes hard work, dedication, and willingness to learn and adapt. If you're able to take the plunge, the reward can be life-changing. So what are you waiting for? Go out there, get your titles, get your table of content, start creating courses, start uploading them on course platforms, and start selling. And most importantly, start marketing them heavily so that you can make as much money as possible. And I hope this video gives you a whole lot of value. And If you're getting that value from it, then go ahead to like, subscribe, and smash that bell notification icon. And also, if you have any comments or any suggestions or anything you want me to highlight more in terms of online course creation, selling, and marketing, then do well to put it down in the comment box below, and I'm going to address all the comments. And if I get enough comments that I will have to do a more detailed video or an extended video on online course creation, then I'll go ahead and do that and get them back to you so that you can actually make as much money as possible creating courses and earning money passively online. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.